Hey guys, so this is an update video to Tom Brier's composition board. Upon some feedback, we decided that he may work better with magnetic notes on a board like a whiteboard. So here, let's check out what I've done here. So the whiteboard behind me unfortunately is not magnetic, but if you'll excuse my mess, I still have this thing from last time which accepts magnets just fine. So the old version has these tracks on them like that, so instead I just made the bottom flat like this and put a pretty strong magnet in there, so it just sticks like that. But then I realized that the perfectly flat bottom may make it difficult to pick up, so one of the changes I made is chamfering the bottom. So now there's a little grip that you can actually pick it up pretty easily, move it, you can slide it around. So I've got 6 notes here, and you can see they stick there. So the next steps, let's get this to Tom and see what he thinks about it.